So this is how you diagnose a clunking sound for this car. So hear it? The mic in here. So you have to like push the car up and down. So usually that's the stabilizer link bar. If you hear that, you know, clunking sound when you push this car vertically. So let's remove this tire and let's go check it. Alright, so that's your stabilizer link bar, and as you can see in here, there's already a gap, so it's already worn. Let's see that. So let's replace this, and anyway, this is not that expensive. This only costs you $16 a piece. Yeah, look at this. So there's a gap right there. Okay, let's remove it. So we got this new replacement parts. So it's MEB Tech from Westcan. Okay, so it's probably like this. Okay, so there's a bolt in here, so I think this is number 14. Alright, let's remove it. It's not 14, it's 18. Okay, well, that's something on the top. Right, take two. Wow, it's tight. We need PB Blaster. Alright, so let's apply PB Blaster. Okay, also over here. That's it. Let's try it. Okay, stay there. Wow, wow, super tight. Put it in number 3. Hold on. I'm trying to use this bar, but got snap. It's good. There you go. Look at that. Good snap. Now it's gonna remove it. Come on. Hold on. Let me use this. Alright, so let's remove this. We need a hammer. Hold on. Remove this. And hammer. Go. Come on, there you go. Oops. So check the orientation, it's like that. Then like this, like that. And this one, oopsie. We'll do like that. Oops. So like that. Alright. Like that. And yep. And this side, I guess. Hold on, let me double check. Alright, so it should be like this. That. So that's on the top. Alright, let's put on the new one. Let's open the new one. Should be like that. Let's remove this. And it should be like this. Like that. And then I guess I'll put it on like that. And then this one. Oh no, should be this first. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then this. Oh, boy. And then this one. And then that's another. This. Like that. Okay, hold on. There you go. Perfect. Then this one, just like that. And where's that metal? Like this. And that's the nut. There we go. Nice. There we go. Now we're just gonna tighten it. Alright, so in order to tighten that, let's put on the tire so that the weight will go down, and then this one will be pressed down. So let's put on the tire. Alright, so lowering down. So if you are having a hard time to put on the nut, so put the jack in here. This jack, and then there you go. I hope you could see it. Where was it? Right there. That's the nut. It's already tight. Alright, so it's already tight. I did use this to tighten it. It has an automatic stop when it's already tight. And then I did double check it. So it's number 17. I think that's it. Now let's recheck if there's still a clunking sound. Alright, so I'm gonna shake the car. Let's see if it's still... no more. Nice. There's no more. Nice, nice. Oh yeah. Let's gonna do the one on the other side. And that's it. No more. Yes, no more. That's it. Done.